happy lang ako kasi dito, kaya ko maging ako. Yun lang naman yun. And no pretensions, sabi ko regardless of position, hindi ko nilalagay sa utak ko ang maging national president. Lahat tayo, pareho-pareho lang tayong arkitekto. So we deserve everyone the same respect. Actually, ATC is a different chapter as always I've said. 5 years ago and now, sabi ko nga parang tinuturing ko pa rin special ang chapter na to. Very welcoming sila. They're very unique. They're very, their program, sabi ko nga very impactful. But sana continue, no, yung ATC to have this kind of program, a different mindset, how they use your program, your GMM. Actually, mga members dito ng ATC, you're lucky na you're chosen, napili kayo. But sana continue, no, yung ATC to have this kind of program. Very friendly kayo sa mga industry partners. Kaya yung mga bagong industry partners, hindi po kayo nagkamali lang magpili.
Actually, hindi dapat to is 4 na GMM. Bilang bida-bidang chapter nga, no? Balak sana namin na kompetensya nga yung NatCon. Tatawagin namin yung GMM Festival. So it's a mixture of all the GMMs all over the country.
This whole place is for them. To everybody's information, is actually a social enterprise of Gawad Kalinga, the foundation. I'm sure all of you are very familiar with Gawad Kalinga. Siguro yung iba po ditong mga bata or yung ibang medyo nakadaan sa college. O yan, di ba? Yung mga college pa or mga kakagraduate lang, ganyan, are familiar with GK one way or another. I'm sure that you may have some stories na nakaapak din kayo sa isang GK activity once in your life. So that's the power of GK. But somehow, now we want to share with you where GK is. Yeah? So GK has been in existence since 2003 po. There should be equal opportunities for the kids. Kasi pare-pareho lang naman yung mga bata.
Tulong-tulong tayo guys. Alam ko masaya tayo every time na nagkikita tayo. Kaya tayo lang. Ngayon mas marami tayo, no? And sa mga bagong chapters natin, no? Other chapters, I mean, na nag-participate sa event na to. I hope our activity serves as an inspiration also. Pwede nyo guys i-suggest sa, syempre,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 13 years old pa na si Rita.
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Thank you! May padrama na naman ang MC!